Hello fellow rebels and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we're bringing Bonnie over to Paddy's to get serviced. So I've all the gear in my backpack, so let's go over, get Bonnie serviced, and also getting Bonnie's exhaust fixed as well. There's a little hole in the left side exhaust, I think. Yeah, this side. So we're going to get that exhaust filled as well. Paddy's going to do that while I do the service. So Paddy will walk me through my first service. My first bike service actually. So yeah, exciting evening ahead. Going to learn some new stuff from me. And yeah, let's go to Glenmora.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question.
This is the list to do today. Most important, these two, and then the rest works itself. Yeah.
Oh no, that's fine.
Little circle there.
I tipped that half there and
Actually, yeah, that's the easiest way to get it off, because then bolts will knock them off, you know.
no, that's fine. We'll have a look there, just see what size she is. Well, that's have to surprise me, because that exhaust came off way easier than I thought about. So I'm quite happy with that now.
Up to me there.
What?
Up to me there.
There you are, Chief. I'm just going to focus on this here first, and then we'll get you sorted out after the end.
What's the man's name on the thing where he wears the orange coat? What's his name? I take that's the sump there.
Gives a butcher's there, you know, flat. No,
Yeah.
that's your oil filter, that's it. Where's your, where's your manual? Garson. I think I see it there. I think you have to drain it.
Okay, so we're going to drain the oil, and we're looking on the Haynes manual, and it gives us a little nut there, and that's it there. Up here. So we'll have to open that up and drain out the oil first.
So, in that magnetic dish there, okay?
Oil on the way. Screw and
You okay with that there
everything
for
to
a few
go.
minutes, Walty?
Yeah, I'm going to keep an eye on it there.
Yeah, leave it drain away.
Yeah.
Give that 5 or 10 minutes, leave it drain away.
Yeah. So I can go take off the filter now, the air filter.
Yeah, that's what you do, get the air filter out
Yeah.
now.
Okay, so we've moved the left side panel, and we're going to get at the air filter, which is in here, and then it's all here on the Haynes manual along here. All along here, so we're going to open these, move the relay parts, and then we're going to get these screws in here, and here, and here, and these three.
I just put another bit of a bend in it there now, just another fraction of a bend to get
Yeah.
it knit closer. A few tacks of weld up there, so weld a bit of a seam along there, in there, should work.
Perfect.
And that'll be jobs off.
That's it. Exhaust being repaired by the great Padraig.
Hi guys! You always did?
Yeah. So air filter out. She's not too bad. But you know. So we got our first one in. Like it only can go in one way, is it?
Can you remember what way it went came out? And I'm not being funny with you.
Yeah, just come out like this.
Right like that, yeah. It goes straight back in like that, yeah. Simple as that, don't it? Should be A1 then, channel.
Hey.
Happy?
Yeah.
Good lad. That's your hole patched up.
Yeah.
I'm going to tidy it up a bit there. Just giving a nip down with the grinder there, just to tidy it up. But that is sealed.
Yeah.
It's
perfect.
not seen. Are you happy with that?
I'm
I can
happy.
do more with it if you like.
Happy.
Good enough. Right.
Thank you.
No problem at all, kid. Now, you understand what I said about welding? I know they can't see it. Hey, can that thing super zoom?
I can always zoom in on it.
So, where's your oil filler?
So looking for the oil and filter change. It's 3.8. I thought it was oil change, but it's not. If you're changing the filter as well, it's 3.8 litres. You can see it right there. Yep.
Just a bit of fucking ASMR. Is that what they call it or something like that?
S&M. Don't ask me how I know it.
One of the lads or something.
Oh, one of the lads, yeah.
Oh, it's course. That heavy fucking chest.
Thirsty Bonnie. I fried chips in a deeper colour oil than that.
Well, yeah, you'd fry chips and dirtier oil.
Yeah. Now, Paddy marks off the oil that he puts in first, so that's a good tip for all beginners like me. 2 litres, you go back, put in another litre, go back, put in the rest, and then you know where you're standing instead of going, oh, did I put in this much, that much? He has it all marked away. We're doing plenty of this. I'm just going to put in a bit of oil myself, just to make it look like I've done it.
I'd say nothing. Hold the funnel, don't spill any, and it should be mint, lad.
Bonnie will enjoy it more from me anyway. So it's a bit of strange every now and again though. Say not.
Fuck's sake, he held the spanner for half an hour and he's giving me all the big talk now, like the big dog.
The spanner has been watching the big spanner do the spanner stuff.
I'll say not. No, I'd say that's you at that now.
Do I take this out of the hole then, yeah?
That's what she said. Yeah, do.
Where shall I put it?
Oh,
I don't want to be sticking it in there.
Fucking in that.
Okay.
And the bit of oil you have left over, bring it on with you. You never know. There's no harm hold on to it. There's, like, any bike, I'll be honest with you, a lot of bikes will burn a drop of oil. It's not a bad thing.
No.
They would tell it to burn a drop.
Can I screw this back on?
Screw it back on and just give it in. Actually, give it back to me there for a second. So check the condition of the O-ring on it. Just that little seal there. If that's after failing, it might just blow a bit of oil, but no, it seems to be very good condition. So screw her back in there, young fella.
Thank you.
That's all.
You know, Ed China gloves. If you know who he is, you know. If you know, you know.
It's not a fucking insect.
Now, all that's left is the spark plugs to do. So I need an expert for this. So Paddy's going to give his brother a ring and see how we get on.
Yeah, fucking bollocks. Ooh, tank have the sandwich.
So we're changing the spark plugs now.
Where are the spark plugs, Monty?
As in there.
Ah, have them there, thank you.
Right there, horse.
Good man, missus. Ooh. 16.
Cracking that, a cracking backing track for tonight.
Oh, you can't pay the face easy, but you can't pay it.
Very good, arcade fire, very good as well when you're off on the bike.
I won't listen to music on the bike. We're in trouble here. No. We're in trouble there, kid. I don't have anything to get at that. Balls!
Nightmare.
Anything here, just for pig there. I'll show you. Perfect.
Me?
Perfect.
Yeah.
No. Fuck's sake, Chance, you think I'm going to pay you that much for compliments? You don't get much love and affection out of this place.
It's what you don't say, Paddy.
Marty, I love your reading. Marty, I think we're out of luck. I'll have to get a plug socket, unfortunately. But
The main things are done.
the main thing's done. She'll be fine without the plug.
Yeah.
Without the plug. But it's only even you're passing. If I have the socket, call in, we can whip it out and have done in a few minutes.
Yeah.
You
And
okay
we
with
do
that?
and we do spark plugs as well. Hey!
You're a dirty fucking animal, you know that? You're a dirty fucking animal. Right, I'm supposed to start putting the build Bonnie back together. What do you think?
Yeah.
Happy?
Sounds good, yeah.
Definitely not rolling bad.
Yours sounds so much better.
Big time.
Thanks very much for watching. Until the next time, Deise Rebel out.
Never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really